Hey guys, Patricia Zars with Zars and Rogers Realtors, and today I am coming to you live from the San Antonio Food Bank. And I'm here today because I'm really excited. We are picking up the barrel for our fall food drive, which officially starts on September 1st. Let me switch the camera around here for you. So, picking up the barrel, gonna throw it in there, and then we're gonna raise some money, and we're gonna get some food donations for the San Antonio Food Bank. So like I said, our fall food drive starts September 1st, and it will run September, October, and November. For those 3 months, we will have the barrel at our office, which is at 1270 North Loop 1604 East, which is right on 1604 between 281 and Stone Oak Parkway inside the loop. We're in the same building as Pilgrim Mortgage and Rialto Homes. We will also, of course, be planning our food drive event, our happy hour, which we do every year, and we are planning on it being September 22nd, which is a Thursday, and it'll be hosted at the Hoppy Monk, which is right next door to our office there on 1604. So I hope everybody is enjoying this absolutely beautiful day, and I hope you will help us gather up some food, and that we will get to see you very soon. Swing by our office with your donations, and of course stay tuned for more details about our happy hour event September 22nd.